If you're seeing GOG Error 401, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account and keep using GOG Galaxy without the frustration. This error usually comes down to a login issue, a cached session problem, a VPN conflict, or an outdated app install. The good news is that most people can fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing to try is logging out and logging back in again. Start by opening GOG Galaxy and clicking the Settings gear icon. From there, click Settings, then go to Manage, then choose Login and Security. Inside that section, look for the option to log out all sessions. This is important because it clears any broken login session that may be triggering the 401 error. After logging out, close GOG Galaxy completely, then sign back in using your account details. Next, double-check your username and password. It sounds simple, but incorrect login details are one of the most common reasons for authentication errors. Make sure you're typing the correct email or username, and that your password is accurate. If you're unsure, use the password reset option and create a new password before trying again. A fresh login can often resolve the issue immediately. If you're still getting the error, the next step is to clear your cache and cookies. Open the settings in GOG Galaxy or your browser if you're logging in through the web, then find the option to clear cache and cookies. Old session data can conflict with the current login attempt and cause error 401. After clearing them, restart the app or browser and sign in again. Another very important fix is disabling any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can block or interrupt login authentication, which can easily trigger this error. Turn off your VPN completely and disable any proxy settings on your device. Once they're off, try logging in again and see if the problem is gone. If that doesn't work, restart GOG Galaxy fully. On Windows, open Task Manager. Find GOG Galaxy in the list, right-click it, and select End Task. This makes sure the program is fully closed and not running in the background. Then reopen GOG Galaxy and try signing in again. Sometimes a fresh launch is all it takes to clear the error. You should also check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop GOG from verifying your login properly. Try restarting your router first, then reconnect and test again. If possible, try another network, such as a mobile hotspot or a different Wi-Fi connection, just to rule out a local internet issue. If you've tried everything so far and the error still appears, it may be time to update or reinstall GOG Galaxy. Go to GOG.com and download the latest version of the app. Installing the newest version can fix bugs, compatibility issues, and broken authentication files. If updating doesn't solve it, uninstall GOG Galaxy completely and reinstall it from scratch. That gives you a clean version of the app and often fixes stubborn login errors. So to recap, if you're dealing with GOG Error 401, start by logging out of all sessions, verify your username and password, clear cache and cookies, turn off your VPN or proxy, restart GOG Galaxy through Task Manager, check your internet connection, and finally update or reinstall the app if needed. In most cases, one of these fixes will get you back quickly. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.